in the rain. White bird in a golden cage, alone. The leaves blow across the long bright road to the darkened sky. It's rage, but the white bird just sits in her cage, unknown. White bird must fly, or she will die. Dreams of an aspen tree with her dying leaves turning gold. But the white bird just sits in her cage, growing old. White bird must fly, or she will die. White bird must fly, or she will die. The sunsets come, the sunsets go, the clouds roll by and the earth turns slow, and the young bird's eyes do always glow, and she must fly.